Right, we just travelled about a couple of 100 miles and we're now just below Le Mans, and we've come to this campsite. It's called Camping Lac des Varennes, something like that. We've got here slightly earlier, but it's opens at 2 o'clock, so we just parked out the front. But it looks a very nice site, and there's a lovely river running down here. Look at that, crystal clear. That's beautiful. We might, what we might do is stay a couple of nights because it's so nice. So I'm going to do a review of this one. Happy days. Well, it's very nice. Got a lake behind us. I'll try and go swimming. I'll try and go swimming in that and see how warm it is. Sanitaire. Toilets. Let's get some water. Had a local, I think she was from the Netherlands, just telling us which way we should film do the filming, make sure we got the sun behind us, which is all good. Just went over here, parked, this is the river that runs right through here as well, so we've got a lake one side and we've got a river the other side. Well, they've got a lovely little riverside view. Let's go down, it's got a good road next to the lake. That's where we are. Right next to them Welsh people. that was quite successful on the drone. There's quite a few swifts that are flying around the lake, and I think they were flying around the drone as well. So that was a bit exciting. Lucky none of them hit it, so they're pretty good flyers. Right, we've got some lovely little pitches right next to the river, because the river sort of runs down here. We've got the lake the other side, the river's just over here, and we've got some nice little pitches that are down right next to the river. So very nice. And all these pitches just down here. The toilet block behind. It's a lovely site, very nice. Shower block, very nice. Go in a minute. That's a nice size shower block. Washing up facilities, washing machines, and they're £4.50, last for about 35 minutes apparently. Wash basins, right here, toilet showers. Shower tray. Well, I've just had a lovely shower. The shower was lovely and warm. It's a press button one, so they're not fantastic, but it was alright. But it was really nice. There's no hooks to hang your clothes up, but it was all lovely and bright. Really nice shower. I'm going to give it 7/8 out of 10. That's my review.